If you're working with H.265 or HEVC videos, you don't need to convert them before using Redactor. Redactor can import these files directly and handle the preparation for you. Click Add Media and select your H.265 video file. Once uploaded, Redactor will begin preparing the file. During this step, Redactor optimizes the video for playback and processing. This may take a little time depending on the file size and format. Once complete, the video will be ready to open in the editor. Open the video in the editor. From here, you can run auto detect, review objects, and apply redactions just like any other video. Click Render and Export. Choose your preferred redaction style and settings. Click Submit to preview, then export your video. Even if your original file is H.265, exported videos are saved in H.264 format for compatibility. You don't need to convert H.265 videos yourself. Just upload the file, let Redactor prepare it, and continue your workflow as usual.